Hello tech lovers, today's video is on XT2 mini drone. Through extensive research and based on quality, we've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So, whether it's features, performance of its particular side, or necessary topics, we've got you covered with more information on this drones. We have also included the links in the description box down below. You can like the video, show your creativity in the comment section, and subscribe for more tech-related videos. We upload multiple videos in a week. Now, let's get started. No need to mention how important drone is in our daily life nowadays. It is loved by nature lovers, adventure lovers, etc. But there are many types of drones, and mini drone is one of the types. Mini drones are searched for some specific features. And in today's video, we will discuss a drone that is in our eyes, one of the best mini drones at a budget price. This particular mini drone is full of great features. Let's discuss those things. In the expanded state, the size of the drone is about 23.5 by 22.8 by 6.5 centimeters, and in the folded state the size is about 13 by 8.5 by 6.5 centimeters. The folded position made it very portable, and its portability is discussed in detail. You will get that information later in this video. It also has multiple flight performances. The design itself allows you to earn enough attention. It is provided with high-definition camera, though they claim 4K pixels, but in this price range, genuine 4K pixels can't be found. Though it does not have a genuine 4 kilometers, but the camera is so good that they present better highlights and details. And better highlights means eye-soothing views, and better details means clear and crispy view. It has a front and a bottom camera. The operators will get the chance to freely switch the angle of aerial photography and experience the shock aerial photography effect, where creation is more casual. You will get a 90-degree adjusting ability. Modular battery design is a battery design that makes the installation process of a battery very easy and user-friendly. This device has a modular battery design, and it is easy to install and take off. With an 1,800 mAh battery capacity, it provides about 10 minutes long battery life, which is enough to have lots of fun and enjoyment. Now it is time to discuss various functions of XT2 mini drone. It has a multi-directional intelligent obstacle avoidance feature in it. Obstacle avoidance is important for safety. It keeps the drone safe and ensures safe driving. Protects devices from being crashed or damaged. Enjoy a safe drive with all-around perception obstacle avoidance. It can perceive obstacle distance, avoiding when encountering obstacles. This amazing feature will let your control easier and simpler. Smart hover is searched by most drone operators because it can give some smooth and relaxing clips and can also give some precious relaxation to the operator. This product has smart hovering, and its smart hovering effectively allows the aircraft to keep it steady during the flight. Its anti-shake function prevents blurry aerial photography too. Gesture photo is often searched by beginner flyers. At the same time, it is very helpful to everyone. It makes the photo capturing process easy as pie. With this drone, you can make gestures and easily take pictures. During the flight, aim at the drone camera and the corresponding gestures are enough to take pictures or videos. Who doesn't love zooming ability? Zooming ability helps the people to capture things in detail and provide an excellent job. This particular device has 50 times zooming ability. With 50 times zooming ability, it can knead into a moment of food scenery encountered. Trajectory fingering is very helpful for beginners. It makes the flying process easier. Trajectory fingering lets you paint as you want it to fly. You can click the desired flight path on the app, and the drone will immediately follow the waypoint. Portability is an important matter when the subject of comfort comes. Portability relieves psychological friction. The more portable one device is, the more it is liked. The manufacturer has designed it in a way that is easy to fold, smaller, and lighter. Its handheld folded design makes it very easy to carry. It has one key lift and returning feature, and they can be achieved through the remote control. It lets you return to home without tedious manipulation. This feature is also one of the flying features, and it is very helpful for beginners and reduces the hassle for professionals too. The phone is without a doubt one of the most useful devices nowadays. Everyone loves their phones. It is cool to control a drone with a phone. This drone has the ability, and the control is simpler and more convenient in it. Sometimes the direction of the drone and the direction of the operators make the operators confused. Especially the beginners get twisted by this directional thing. Headless mode is for those who find it difficult to understand the directional thing. Having headless mode in this drone, no need to distinguish between flying in headless mode. Direction: it is easier for novices to fly. It also has a beauty filter feature, which is a feature that adds beauty to your photos and videos. Now, it's time to talk about some pros and cons. Pros: optical flow localization, trajectory flight, intelligent obstacle avoidance, good hovering quality. Cons: the battery capacity could be better. Remote control distance could be better. It has the qualities and features that are alluring and reasonable features in a reasonable price. Its highly portability, great design, smart hovering, gesture photo capturing ability makes it worthy of buying. We try to bring better device. All the features are in a budget price. That's why it is highly recommended from us. If you like the video and find it helpful, you can always give a like on this video. Smash that subscribe button for more tech-related, informative videos. The links to all products we have talked about are in the description box down below. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, have fun and keep up the good work.